Open mic.
Sobra yun. Ay, virgin eyes. May mga kids.
We honor you, Mamita G-Pop, for being an inspiration to us sa mga ka-household po ninyo and fellow couples sa community. Sa mga young couples. Truly, you're an inspiration for all of us. Ang dedication niyo po sa inyong family and dedication sa community. And congratulations and happy 50th.
Thank you. Kiss! Kiss! Ikakaki pa natin. Inom muna. Okay. Malalasing ako niyan. Gusto ni Sandy siya magsalita eh. Sandy, sige na. Ikaw na. Ayan na oh.
Yun na nga yung sinabi.
Dapat pala yung isang phone ko ginamit ko. Para nakapag-live ako.
Thank you so much for
Kasi dito hindi ako maka-live.
serving along with us kasi gives us a real good example of someone to emulate as we grow in the community. We're so blessed to have you. We're so blessed to have you here in the US. Happy anniversary po.
Thank you.
Si Rosalie naman.
Si Emmer daw. Si Emmer, kinukuha niya na. Si Emmer daw. Kiss muna. Kiss muna. Ay, kiss daw tayo.
Congratulations sa G-Pop. On your 50th anniversary. Inspirasyon namin kayo. Kami mga virgin pa. Sana marating namin yung narating nyo ngayon. Maraming salamat for your wisdom, the sharing that you imparted with us during the household. So we're very blessed to have you in our household. Happy anniversary. More years to come.
Ayun, tapos na kami.
Daw.
G-Pop, kanina tinatanong ka ni Hazel, you reached out to this, oh my gosh, this 50th year. What makes you go? Ano sabi niya? Oh my goodness. Buti na lang Tagalog din ay G-Pop and Tita, happy anniversary and keep the luck growing and stay healthy and strong. Yeah, thank you for that.
Hindi ko ba masabi yung sabi nyo secret eh.
Happy anniversary po, 50 years. What an inspiration for all of us po. We're praying that your love, yung nakikita po namin love and service to not only to us, but sa parang si G-Pop kay Mamita and Mamita to G-Pop. Sana magkaroon po kami ng maraming patience na kagaya nyo. So we will last long. Cheers po!
Cheers.
Salamat po ng pasyente daw, pasyente. Happy anniversary po. Teka, pakala ko na.
Hindi po. Ang dami nakatingin. Sasalita pa siya. Naliyak nila po. Siyempre na po ang
Mamita and G-Pop.
Kasi Mamita.
Kaya po sinabi niya na talaga you're an inspiration to us. And then you have a lot of wisdom na pwede niyo po i-share po sa amin. Gaya po ng mga noong naging kayo po yung president and worship leader, mayroon ba kayong history ng couples? And it's really a good reminder of like history na malaman namin bilang couples na your service is really genuine, and God is really pleased with what of your service. Siguro po ang masabi ko lang ay pagbigyan niya po si JC na magkaroon ng tato. Tato.
Maaga pa.
Nakita mo ang tato, akala ni tato na lang si JC, diba?
Protect na ba?
Biro po. Happy anniversary!
O, JC, narinig mo yun, JC? Hindi?
Mamita and Jeepap, we honor you, both of you, lalo na sa
First picking up. Yes.
kayo sa CFC. Salamat sa
Kailangan ulit, hindi ko siya makita yung mukha.
advice at sa tulong palagi sa community at sa amin. May God bless you always, and wish na good health always. Love you both. Happy anniversary.
Ilalasip. Kami, di pa nga kami nakakainom eh. Kiss na. Inom muna.
Kaya, kiss lang.
Happy anniversary po, Mamita and Jeepap. We just want to honor you and we want to thank you for showing us what true and lasting love looks like. Happy anniversary.
Salamat.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Jeepap, Mamita. Jeepap, Mamita, happy anniversary. We thank you and we honor you for raising wonderful children and for being awesome grandparents and also a very loving father and mother-in-law to Twinkle. Happy anniversary po. Tapos one last thing, ang hirap pong maging tamad pag kasama kayo sa service. So we honor you for that one as well. Again, happy anniversary and 4 years.
Thank you, Jonas.
Ako? Mamita and Jeepap, I think indirectly your legacy is with us, NTX North Texas CFC, because of the leadership of JC and Twinkle, and you directly with the household. So we thank you for enriching our lives with your example. So happy 50th anniversary, and may you have a lot more years, for 50 more years to serve Dallas Fort Worth.
Salamat. Salamat. Mayroon na akong PT.
Meron na, tatlo.
Pag-yan ka ba din na ate? Pag-teacher.
Tidak kahit adlaw.
Happy anniversary sa inyo, ate at kuya. I'm very fortunate with me and my wife and my kids. We're very fortunate to have you here in Texas kasi it makes us feel like we're not too far away from home, and it's actually a privilege. Like when we're thinking like we're missing home, and we think about ate, kuya, and the whole family, that we're just very near you guys as relatives. So yeah, you guys are very much an inspiration to us, and continue to the love that you have for each other. Keep it burning, and yeah, may you have many more, like 50 more, at least 50 more.
At least. At least yun, ah.
51.
Okay. Jobs is my cousin on my mother's side. They came from Missouri, ano?
Missouri 3 years ago, and they're actually neighbors with Gia.
Oh,
Yeah.
Parma.
I think
At Flower Mound.
almost 5 years now.
5 years na? 5
Almost
years ago.
Time
Almost.
flies so by so quickly talaga.
Ayoko,
Hindi mo na
nag-video ako.
alam.
Kukunin ko sa inyo.
Sino daw ang gustong mag-volunteer? Gusto niyo ako mag-speech para sa inyo?
Voluntold. Voluntold mo. Voluntold.
Sino mag-salita?
Doon, doon, sa bandang dulo, sa bandang dulo. Sa bandang dulo.
Yung kapatid. May John. Hey, John, come on.
Hello?
Ay, meron pala doon eh. May mic pala doon eh.
Mamita, maupay nga
Kulok. Okay. Yes.
Okay, so
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Amigo.
So we got to know her, know them 8 years ago, way back noong 2018. I think kami baguhan pa lang kami noon sa CFC. So, what I can say is your presence alone makes the difference.
Yeah.
So, there was one occasion na kasama kami sa, I think that was the whole national conference.
Yeah.
I see how very determined I imagine how their age, they still have the energy.
Tanda na no?
Something beautiful.
Parang sinabi ni Chong, ang tatanda niya.
Hello, something beautiful, guys. Thank you for raising your children well to be the epitome of the families, that in the Holy Spirit, And also,
Palitan mo, Mike.
you're not only an inspiration, not only to the CFC, but to the people that you serve. So continue the legacy and continue to make people happy because through your happiness, people learn something from you. Salamat.
Thank you, Chong. Chong and May, thank you for coming. Ang layo ng bahay nila actually, layo dito. Pero they came.
You're welcome po, Tita. Thank you. And thank you for the invite and happy 50th wedding anniversary. Damo nga salamat sa imo pag-represent bilang isang Kristiyanon. A good singer, a good dancer, and so kind. Bisan kun harayo, nas talaga para lang makakanhi. Alam niyo na, I really don't attend a lot of parties, but because of you being our idol, I really come here, even if it's so far. Damo nga salamat.
I am really very happy na when I saw the both of you because I know it's too far. Your house is too far from here. And I'm just so happy because at least we got to show our friends here. Even if we are not from the same town, but we are from the same province, we share that kind of relationship that we have. We share the same friends. We know the same friends, and they know our relatives. And I'm just happy that we have also that we are brethren in CFC. Thank you. So May is from Eastern Samar, but John is from Zamboanga, no? Zamboanga. Chabacano. Si Nelson.
Good afternoon po. Deepak and Mami. So I met them, first met them in Marikina. So it's not here. So sorry na lang, nakakain ako ng putong itim. Yun ang binigyan niyo sa akin. The best. So the first time I met both of them, they are pretty, quiet, and they're living their, something like they're like what you call that when all the parents, all the children are what? Empty nester. So that's why they're here. They want to, to get more of their family here, the children and the grandchildren. So the way I see it is they are very lovable to grandmother and grandfather. See, Papa Jeep is very quiet. But when he talks, you know, there's always meaning. And it's always been an inspiration when he talks. The last GA, I felt that I relieved because he just told us again the way to handle new CLP. Thank you, Brother. Thank you. And I want to thank Anita. So Anita always, this is the first time they attended about Mamitas and K-pop but I always been here. And they are a very, they are the icon right now. The way I see them, they are the epitome of servant. They always there, they don't absent, they always say, they always, the presence is always there.
Hello.
Mahina na, lalapit na lang.
Ubus na yung battery.
Ubus na, yun lang po.
Kaya yung bahay nila.
Pwede tayo makita na sa kanila.
Di ba pag may mga gathering na kailangan ng maraming sa kanila talaga.
Pwede tayo tumira sa kanila.
Oo. Ang lalaki ng kwarto eh, 6 yun eh. Pwedeng mag-ampun sila ng 5 family eh. There we go. Okay. Oh, yung microphone daw. Si kapatid. Siya palang kapatid ko, taga Las Vegas.